Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video let's learn about how to start a live stream on Facebook. So let's get started. At first let's get into Facebook app. Make sure you're logged into it. Now in the top we can see this plus sign, so simply tap on this and click on live. Here we can see the screen has already started. Now you can simply click on go live over here. If you want to add any description, simply tap on this to add any description and click on done. Once you are done with all of this, simply click on go live over here. And if you want to add someone, simply click on this icon over here and you can add any friends you want as well. Now finally click on go live over here to start the live stream. So this is all we can do to start live stream on Facebook. I hope you like the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.